Hello everyone. In this part 8 of probability, we are going to understand the concept of mean and variance of a random variable. This part is totally based upon the formulas and rest of all whatever we did or we learned in last video. So let us suppose x be a random variable whose possible values are x1, x2, x3 and so on xn occur with the probabilities. P1 is the probability corresponding to x1, P2 is the probability corresponding to x2 and so on. Pn is the probability corresponding to xn respectively. Then first case mean, it is denoted by mu or ex and is given by summation I is equals to 1 to n pi xi. It means x1 into p1 plus x2 into p2 plus x3 into p3 and so on plus pn into xn. It means first do the product of each corresponding pi to xi and then sum of this thing. It will create the mean for the random variable x. Second part is variance. Variance is denoted by rho square or variance x and is given by rho square is equals to summation I is equals to 1 to n pi xi square minus summation I is equals to 1 to n pi xi and whole square of that one. If we will see this part, then it is not a new term, it is the mean only. Using this formulas, how we are going to calculate the mean and variance? Let's start with this example. And it is the quite easy terms if we have the good knowledge of random variable and how we have to make the probability distribution for random variable. So find the mean and variance of the number obtained on a throw of an unbiased dice. Very simple example to explain the conceptual part of this thing. So let us suppose we know the sample space is S 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are considering X denote the number obtained on the throw. Then X is a random variable which can take the values 1 भी आ सकता है if we are throwing a dice, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I am not mentioning here, you know very well, for each part the probability will be 1/6. If 1 is coming, then the chance is 1/6. If 2 is coming, then the chance is 1/6 only. If 3, then 1/6 only. Then directly we are coming to this part. First of all, we have x. So what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is for x. Now, whenever we have to find out the mean and variance, we are making vertical table for the easy calculation. So this is 5, this is 6. Now, px is equals to xi corresponding to each x. This is 1. What is this? 1/6. This is 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6 and this is also 1/6. Now according to the term, what we want? Pi into xi. So this is working as x is equals to xi. It means this is pi into xi. So this is pi, this is corresponding xi. What this become? 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6 and this is 6/6 corresponding multiplication. Now how will we find out the mean? Side by side we will find out the resultant also. Mean is given by summation I is equals to 1 to n pi xi. It means how will we get? 1/6 plus 2/6 plus 3/6 plus 4/6 plus 5/6 plus 6/6. No need to do the cancellation. Direct we will do this part and after then we will do the simplification. 3 plus 6, 10, 15 and 6, 21/6. It means the mean is given by this thing. Now for variance, we want xi square also. It means xi square means this is the corresponding xi 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and this is 36. Now Another term is, what is this? Pi into xi square. It means this is multiplied by pi into xi square 1. And what is this? This is xi 4 by 6. This is 9 by 6. This is 16 by 6. And this is, what is this? 25 by 6. And the corresponding this 36 by 6. Now first of all we will find out pi into xi square also. Summation I is equals to 1 to n. It means what this become? 1 plus this is 1 by 6 also, because we have the probability 1 by 6 and this is xi square is 1 only. So 1 by 6 plus 4 by 6 plus 9 by 6 plus 16 by 6 plus 25 by 6 plus 36 by 6. Now 6 5 11, 6 17, 17 19 26. This is 30. It means this is 31 means 1. Now 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 1 9. So this is 91 upon 6. Now according to the formula, variance is equals to summation I is equals to, once again check this calculation, 5 plus 6 11 plus 6 17 plus 9 26, 30 31. It means 1 is here, 3 plus 3 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9. I is equals to 1 to n pi xi square minus summation I is equals to 1 to n pi into xi and this whole square. Now substitute the values, 91 upon 6 and this is minus, what is this? This is coming 21 by 6 whole square. It means what this become? 91 by 6 minus 441 upon 36. What is the LCM of this? 36. It means 6 1 just 6. This is 546. What is this? 546 minus 441. And what this become? This will be 6 minus 5. 6 minus 1 5. 4 minus 4 0. And this is, what is this? 5 minus 4 1. And this is 36. And if we will calculate this thing, this 3 3 are 9 and 3 5 are 15. 3, this is 1 2. And in this way we can say this is the answer for this part. It means this is the variance and this is the mean. On the basis of this, you have to solve the other questions also. Don't forget to give the answer of this question in comment box. Thanks and God bless you.